Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Tech with Jagmeet. I am Jagmeet Kaur. In this video, we'll discuss about how to create a simple content type, say hero banner in Optimizely SaaS CMS. We'll discuss about what fields it is having and what type of fields they are, and we'll also discuss about how to set display name to different fields. So let's get started. See, I have this page 1, and say I have to create this component on the page, hero banner, which is having a title, a description, a CTA button, and an image. So what you need to do in order to create this component in Optimizely SaaS CMS. So let's go to CMS, go to settings. In the settings, you can see many options here like page type, blog type, media type, experience type, inside the content types. So if you do not know the difference between these different content types, you can check my another video. I'll add the link in the description, which will give you a detail about different content types in Optimizely SaaS CMS. For this hero banner, as it is a modular component inside of the page, so what we need to do is we'll create a block type. So we'll name it like YT hero banner, which is having a display name as hero banner. And if you want to add a description here, you can add it, create. Now you can add the properties. So we'll add a property, say text for the title, say YT title, which is of type text. We already selected that. And what is a text type for this one? So if you click on this drop down, there are different text types for the title. So we'll select string, which is less than and equal to 255. You can set the maximum length of the title. If you want to add any validations, you can add the regular expression for that. Value must be entered. So if you check this one, this will make your title as required field. So then the unique value per language. So what does this mean? So if you select this one, so say your component is present in different languages, language versions. So every language version will have the unique value. Then is it of type list? Then what is the property indexing type? Then if you want to add the default value to this field or not, user experience, there are user experience fields like a display name, we'll add title. Property group gonna be content only. So next we'll add description, we'll add YT description. Cool. So type is text. And what is a text type for this one? So this can be a long string or can be HTML. So you can like select as per your requirement. So I'm selecting long string for now. Other properties or the properties on the field will remain the same. Then we have image. For image, there is no predefined set for the image. So we'll select content. Inside of the content, we'll select like YT image as the name of this field. And then the content is the type of it. And what is a content type? So that will be, is it a content area? By content area means you can select more than one blocks inside of it. So content area item, one item. Content reference means you are having a set. You can just add that asset to this field. So we'll select this content reference for the image. You can restrict it to specific reference type, or you can just keep it any. Allowed content types, restricted content types. You have all the options you can apply for this fields. Next, we have the button. So Optimizely SaaS CMS do not have the predefined button inside of it. You can either select the link or you can create your own button, which is of another block type. So I'll give you an example of both of these. First, I'll try to add the link and show you how you can add. So let's YT link type. And what is the link type up to this? So you can select link collection, more than one links you want to add, link item, some item. you want to add it here. URL to the document, URL to the image, URL to page or external address. Okay. So other properties are quite the same like we have in the other fields. We have just added a link for a CTA button, but there is a better way you can add the buttons to the components, like say for hero banner. So what we can do is, let's go back to content types. We have another content type which we named at block button. So it is having all the fields that we may require for buttons, like CTA buttons. So it is having a link, the button text, the button link, and then class name, what type of button it is having. So all the fields that are related to buttons. So instead of adding just a link for the button, you can add this one inside of the hero banner component. So let's go back. Let me show you how you can add another block inside of the hero banner component. Let's add a property of type content. We'll name it as like YT CTA buttons. So this can be of content type, content area. And here we will select what are the allowed content types for this field. So we will allow button content types that I just showed you. Button here. Cool. So you can add buttons which are having all the fields that I just showed you. So we have added all the fields that a hero banner can have. So let's remove this link that we added earlier. Cool. So if you want to change the sort order for these one, so you can like move it like this. That's how you can create hero banner inside of Optimizely CMS with just few clicks and predefined properties. In the next video, I'll talk about how to fetch the content from Optimizely SaaS CMS using the Optimizely graph and use it anywhere. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.